everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. I am starting a vlog, and the reason I decided to start a vlog is because we are moving. My husband and I are moving to another state. We've lived in New England for about 27 years now, but we both grew up in Pennsylvania, and we're moving back home to Pennsylvania. Hopefully in a few weeks we'll be moving, and I need some advice on setting up a sewing space, moving my sewing space, organizing it, what to look for in a new sewing space. So I would love any of your help with that. I'm going to show you my current space, and please, in the comments, even on Instagram if you want to, if you follow me on Instagram at Sew the Distance, somewhere, anyway, just email me whatever, any advice if anybody's ever gone through this. And I'm going to take you on this journey with me weekly, at least weekly, maybe a little bit more, as I try to figure all this out and maybe help you if you ever move and you can learn from my mistakes. But first, before I get started, I want to give a shout out to another YouTuber, and her channel is called Creating Beauty Daily with Fallon, and she does some really cool stuff. She shows some tutorials, and she also does unboxings of the subscription boxes. You know that, like, us quilters love those subscription boxes. So right now she's doing the Missouri Star Advent Calendar, and every morning at 7 a.m. I sit down with my cup of coffee and I watch her unboxing because it's so exciting. So check her out, she's awesome. All right, let's get started on my tour. So this is my space downstairs, and it's actually our dining room. You can see it from this side. So you come in the front door, and to the right is the dining room. And I took this over organically. So I started just sewing in here because I like to be close to the kitchen and close to the family. And slowly I kind of kept adding and adding to it to the point that it became officially a sewing room and no longer a dining room. But as you can see, there's still dining room furniture. So these are wonderful. I got them at Walmart, and my husband built wheel platforms for them. I have 3 of them in this space, so I can move them around. They fit underneath this table because I put risers on our dining room table. The dining room table is actually a wonderful cutting space. As you can see, it's full of stuff. This bag is my to-go handwork that when I am going out somewhere. If I do, I sit in the car a lot lately, so I'll have that. I have some other projects going. I have a few mats. This is the mat I use when I'm doing videos, just because it shows up better and things show up better on it. Off to the side here is my ironing station and the sideboard. I also have this catch-all basket, which I throw stuff in that needs to be put away. You can see some of my masks I've been working on and pin cushions. This is another drawer unit that my husband put on wheels for me. So I have like ribbons and stuff like that. That's my kitchen, so I can go right into my kitchen, or if I'm cooking something, I can come in here and sew for a few minutes. I have a design board that my husband built. I also have my thread rack my husband built. As you can tell, I'm very spoiled. I have a wonderful husband. He's amazing. So I'm very lucky, or blessed, I should say, in that way. This one's also on wheels. And this is all my stuff that I have to go through. I didn't clean up for this, so this is what you get. This is my real space. There's nothing fancy here. I love these rolling assistants that you get at Michael's. I would have 100 of them if somebody wouldn't call like social services on me because I had 100 of them, but I love them. I think they're the coolest thing. And what's nice is I can move these around and bring them over to my space. I have a lot of storage. I have started going through things to pack. And then a china cabinet became a really great place to store things, oddly enough. So this is where I've been storing just projects that I'm working on. I have rulers and all kinds of stuff stored underneath here. And then this is my AccuQuilt center, I would say. So I have all my supplies in this. This is a really cool table that I always thought I'd refinish, and maybe I will. This opens up on top, so it makes it even bigger. And then over here, I have yet another one of those rolling cube storage units. All right, so that is my sewing room down here. Now I'm going to show you where I keep all my fabric. Okay, let's go upstairs. And please, again, don't mind the mess. We are in this moving process. It's crazy. At least we got our tree up. So So this is a spare bedroom. Oh boy, I should have folded those, shouldn't I have? Those are some quilts that I'm considering for our upcoming videos on Lessons from an Old Quilt. I kept them out from packing because I definitely want to keep going with that series. So there's a sneak peek of what's coming up. And then this is the walk-in closet in this room. And like I said, what you see is what you get. This is my life right now, okay? This is how I organize my fabric. This is where I keep it all. I have so much fabric. Not only do I have a lot of fabric, I have a lot of sewing machines. I have a lot of stuff. And I think I have a pretty good handle on how to organize things. I don't know if you can tell through this. So I will do some upcoming videos, hopefully in 2021, of how I organize space. This basket here, other than the stuff right on top, is all scraps that I need to go through. So I guess maybe this isn't a good judge of how organized I am because I've been shoving everything in here that has to do with sewing just to get it into one place for packing. Okay, so I have a lot of stuff. And then lastly, if we come around here, and then this is the space that I do my videos because of the natural light. So I also do my devotions in the morning here, and it's kind of where I keep my quiet time to get away from everything, and it works out well for me. I'm gonna miss this space. Hopefully I'll find a new space like it, maybe, I don't know. So that's my space. That's where I keep all of my sewing stuff. Advice needed, please, and I'll keep updating you on the vlog as we go through this process, and hopefully you'll get to see my new sewing space. And I don't know, I enjoy these videos. Hopefully you will too. It's a little different for me, so I am learning this whole vlog process as well. So we do get our pod today, so we're gonna start loading stuff into that. And it's stuff that definitely will be going into storage for a little bit until we find our forever home. Hopefully sooner than later. Hopefully things work out. All right, I'll see you. Please consider subscribing. And again, check out that other channel I told you about. Check out Create Beauty Daily with Fallon. She's awesome. All right, bye. Have a good day.